Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double break number 1030 of 1415 SP Authentic. The last man in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on July 13th at 7:12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So to the current day and time, click refresh. And it loads. Do it one more time here. I don't know why it's lagging so bad. So it's currently Tuesday, July 14th at 1:01 a.m. Eastern Time. We are broadcasting live on Breakers TV here as per normal. And also for anybody that hasn't registered on our Breakers page, really appreciate if you did. Just register account there. And we do have SPA Team Select and Cup Team Select for this Wednesday here, which you can find right there. We will send an email out likely tonight or tomorrow. So 10:30. And our serial numbers tonight are NE 241235058 and 5070 is our second set of numbers. So 241235058 and 5070 is our second set of numbers. So I guess we'll just do the seal there. And sealed. Okay, so we'll turn you guys around here. Prop you up. Yeah, set these boxes back here. And then we'll get started. So just a reminder regarding the moments and the Series 2 update base cards and the retros. Normally they won't be shipped. If you do get a hit, we will include them in your package. And if you do want them, all we have to do is cover postage for them. But we'll try our best to include them in a package that is going out to you this week. So here we go, everyone. On to box number 1, SPA. So we have a Future Watch. So all serial number cards will be shipped. So this one will be shipped. We got Pierre-Edouard Bellemare for the Flyers. And Bobby Clark, which will be included with the Flyers package. We have a Future Watch of Joey Heishin, 156 of 999, the Avalanche. Nice. We have a Premier Prospect of Evgeny Kuznetsov for the Capitals and base. We have a Moments of Seth Jones for the Predators. We have a Future Watch of Troy Grosenick, $9.99 for the San Jose Sharks. Future Watch non-auto for the Canucks of Brandon DeFazio, $9.99 base. Young Guns of Julian Brualetti. I'm gonna actually have to go see it proper way of pronouncing it. Pretty sure you know how to say it, Mike, since he's Alphonse. Next one is a Moments of Alexander Barkov, insert, and Arthur Zerbe, retro base and base. We have a Future Watch autograph going out to the Red Wings of Ryan Sproul. The Detroit Red Wings. with a moments of Mike Bossy, Islanders. Base. On to our second stack here. What up, Mike? Got a update base, Jaromir Jagr. Base. No, I don't have either of those players. And we have a Modern Moments triple, which we will do a random on. We got Leon Draisaitl, Aaron Ekblad, and Sam Reinhart. So Oilers, Panthers, Sabres. So we'll do that right at the end. Base. Next one is a Brandon Saad for the Chicago Blackhawks. Base. Scott Outlet, Mark, no. I don't know if he's going to sell it or not, though. Got a Patrick Elias for the Devils. And we have a patch auto redemption. Hopefully it's going to be a good one. Nice. It is a doozy. So we have a Future Watch patch auto number 2/100 going out to the Ottawa Senators of Andrew Hammond. Got the Hamburglar patch auto out of 100. Nice hit there for Ottawa. So whoever's the Senators, I can eBay message you the code if you like. Or even I would recommend tracking on it if you do want it shipped. So very nice hit there for Ottawa. Next one is a Future Watch auto of Milker Karlsson for the San Jose Sharks. On camera. Milker Karlsson for San Jose. And we have a Patrick Sharp retro base. Got a update base, Michael Hutchinson, which we will include with your Julian Young Gun. I'll just call him Julian. So butchering his last name there. The Modern Moments, Tanner Pearson and Tyler Toffoli. LA. Final pack of box 1. And retro base, Ryan Miller. And base. Just in a sec here, guys. Just gonna throw the base cards away. And finish the break off with box number 2. $50.70. At the last Toronto Expo, people were offering like $7.50 American for each Monahan. Because there was one person who had one out at Expo there. Okay, so here we go, guys. Box number 2. Got a base card, Nikita Kucherov, update base. We have a Young Guns update of Yuri Seacatch for the Anaheim Ducks. Yeah, if it's the Alberta flag one, it's like a $2,000-$3,000 card. That's why everybody's redeeming them, because I think there might be like maybe like 10 of them that might have the Alberta patch on them. Got Jakub Voracek for the Philadelphia Flyers. That's why everybody's trying to get as many of them as they can. Oh, nice. We have a quad, Sign of the Times, which will be randomed. Number 10 of 10. We got Nathan McKinnon, Alexander Barkov, Jonathan Drouin, and Seth Jones. Nice. So the top 4 overall picks, we got McKinnon, Barkov, Drouin, and Seth Jones. So very nice hit there. Number 10 of 10. So I'll do a random for this right at the end here, and whoever the winner of this one is, just let me know if you want tracking on that, which I do recommend. Okay. We got Moments, Jamie Benn, Tyler Seguin. Okay. A couple of nice double breaks here tonight. Got Andrei Burakovsky for the Capitals. Nice. Premier Prospects, Leon Draisaitl. We have a Future Watch autograph of Mark Byzantine, $9.99 for the Coyotes. These popped open way nicer than last year's product. Last year's just fell apart on you. We got an update base of Derek Roy for the Oilers. Base. We have a Modern Moments of Rod Blake and Mike Modano, which will be random between the Kings and Stars. Those are the most games played. Base. So just give me a sec here, guys. Okay, so I'll finish up with the second part. So we have a Future Watch of Cody Kunik for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Cody Kunik, number 2, $9.99 for Lightning. And we got Mike Liut at base. I don't think so. Not yet, Richard. And this one we have Devin Dubnyk exclusives, 14 of 100 for the Wild. Got Jamie Benn for the Dallas Stars. Base. Like out of our mixer breaks, our half case from I think a couple nights ago we hit one, and I think we hit another one on Sunday too, because these ones were listed for 5-day listings already. Yeah, this was a 5-day listing break one already, so they'll all be different cases. Got Carey Price for the Canadiens. Base. We have a Future Watch of Petteri Lindbaum for the St. Louis Blues. Petteri Lindbaum. Come on, focus camera. $9.99 for the Blues. Base. We got a retro base of Brandon Dubinsky. We have a Future Watch of Andrei Makarov, $9.99 for the Sabres. Base. We have an update base of David Perron for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Base. I wonder why he's wearing 39. Penguins have some guy wearing 57 already on their team. Next one is a Moments of Alec Martinez for the LA Kings. Finally focus. Alec Martinez. We got Jeremy Roenick, retro, and base. And final pack of our break. No, it's all good, Rich. And we have a moments of Mike Krushelinski for the Edmonton Oilers. And base. So there we have it, guys. So just give me 1 second here. Going to set up our 3 randoms actually, and 1 pretty significant random to do. Just give me a sec here to set that up. Just gonna quickly sleeve this one just because I'll be handling it a couple times here. Okay, so here we go, guys. So I'll move you guys a little bit closer to the screen here. Okay, so we're going to do all of our multi-team randoms here. So the first one we're going to do is going to be for the moments duel of Rob Blake and Mike Modano. So we're going to go 3 times as per description, and each team is listed 3 times. So the team on top after the 3rd time is going to receive the card. So good luck, everyone. So 1, 2, and 3. It's trying to load. 3, and it's going out to the LA Kings, and you have randomized this list 3 times. Oh, it's lagging so bad right now. And on to our next one, which is going to be for the triple. We got Leon Draisaitl, Aaron Ekblad, and Sam Reinhart. So 3 times here. So 1. Oh, come on. So 1. I think it should be 2. And 3. 3. And it's going out to the Buffalo Sabres. And you randomize this list 3 times, so congratulations Buffalo on the triple. And now on to the biggest one. Hopefully it doesn't keep lagging on us. Okay, so our quad, we have Nathan McKinnon, Alexander Barkov, Jonathan Drouin, and Seth Jones, number 10 of 10. So each team is listed 3 times. And random it 3 times. Team on top, at the 3rd time is going to receive the card, and we are doing this securely. So here we go, guys. So 1, that's 1, 2, and it loads, 2, and 3rd and final time. So it's loading. And it's going out to the Colorado Avalanche. So Colorado stayed on top. And you have randomized this 3 times, and timestamp is the 20th minute, which I don't even know what the UTC is. So there we have it, guys. So congratulations Colorado on the quad 7 times, and we do have double SPA again tomorrow, quad ultimate, and box 3 of cup out of arcade.